Hi guys, we will continue here our previous lectures remaining part. So we talking about the probability of A union B. So how can you find it? Just multiply these two terms 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 13 and divided by 52 number of card. So this is the all three terms. So thank you. Now we will continue our session with the theorem on finite probability. So what is the finite probability? So we will hear some mistakes. We show you example first and introduction in last. So theorem 7.1. What is the first you need to know this. The following theorem follows directly from the fact that the probability of an event is the sum of the probability of its topic. Point. Theorem 7.1. The probability function P defined on the class of all event in a finite probability space has following property. If our finite probability space following these three property, okay, for event A, P1, P probability of A is greater than or equal to 0 and less than equal to 1. Are you understand this? If our probability of A lies between 0 and 1, and second one probability of set as equal to 1, if event A and B are mutually exclusive, are you know mutually exclusive? What is the mutually exclusive? Then probability of A union B equivalence to probability of A plus probability of B. So these are the theorem 1. So if you want to note down, then you can. This definitely will help you. And theorem 7.2 you already know. Let A be an event, then probability of A completion. What is the A completion? We take all the term except A. What is the means? Suppose we draw a Venn diagram and we put a completion in Venn diagram. We take all the universal number in the Venn diagrams and we left all the A element. A set element of set A, okay, equal to 1 minus probability of, this is the same, you know this is the same. Theorem 7.3. So 7.3 probability of null, and this is the basic thing. What is the probability of null? 0. And probability of A divided by B equivalence to probability of A minus probability of A intersection B. This is the same thing. If we intersect A and B and minus again probability of A, then it is equivalence to it. So but you definitely need to aware these things, because if this term and theorem will came in our exam, then we can't be abusing us. Okay, so theorem 7.4. what is this? Adhesion principle. Just remember this name, adhesion principle. So for any event A and B, suppose we have event A and B, so probability of A union B, what happened, what will be of probability of A union B? This is the simple thing, you already read this. Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. uh, if I recommend you need the knowledge of set. If you are not aware the set, what is the set theory, then you can't do this. So just go our previous lecture and take and eat and drink and feed all the set theory lecture and then come here. So this is the example. Let us consider this. Suppose a student is selected a random from 100 student. Are you understand this? 100 student. We have 100 student. S equal to 100, where 30 are taking mathematics and 20 are taking chemistry class. 30 are taking mathematics and chemistry, so 10 are union of mathematics or chemistry. Find the probability of P that a student is taking mathematics or chemistry. So we find the probability of these things. So M, let we denote the M for student taking mathematics class. So how many student taking mathematics class? 30 student. C is the student taking chemistry class. How many student taking the chemistry class? 20 student. Since the space is equal, probability of mathematics divided 30 by 100. You already know this formula, number of A and number of S divided by number of S equivalence to 30 10. This is the probability of mathematics, probability of chemistry 1 upon 5, and probability M and C. What is the M and this is the intersection probability of M intersection C equal to 1 upon 10. Then just apply the uh, addition principle. What is the addition principle? This is the addition principle. uh, so just put the value here and you got 2.5. This is the answer, this is the answer, this is the answer, this is the answer. So thank you for watching. If you are not like our courses, so just comment us and tell me about what is your view regarding this all lecture. If you want more lecture, then like and do subscribe, hit the bell icon, hit and just crack it and share. Please must share this topic and lectures for anyone who need to know this lecture is beneficial for them. Thank you.